Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Huel taste better. First, always start with very cold water. It makes a huge difference in texture and taste. Next, shake your Huel vigorously for at least 10 seconds to ensure there are no lumps. Finally, for the best experience, prepare your Huel and then refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before you drink it. This allows the flavors to meld and the powder to fully hydrate, resulting in a much smoother and more enjoyable shake. To really boost the flavor, try adding some fresh or frozen fruit. Half a banana or 50 grams of berries can transform your shake. For a rich, chocolatey treat, a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder works wonders. If you prefer something warmer, a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract can add a comforting depth to your Huel. These simple additions make a big impact. If you prefer a thicker, colder shake, try blending your Huel with a few ice cubes. This creates a wonderfully frosty and satisfying consistency. For extra creaminess, substitute some of the water with milk or your favorite plant-based milk alternative. Adding a tablespoon of nut butter, like almond or peanut, not only enhances the richness, but also adds healthy fats, making your Huel more filling and delicious. Don't be afraid to experiment with different Huel flavors and combinations. You might discover a new favorite. Preparing your Huel the night before allows for optimal hydration and flavor development, making your morning routine much smoother. Also, for those looking to truly change their financial perspective, there's a fantastic book that can help. Check the description below for a link to that book, along with other great deals and resources to enhance your Huel experience and beyond.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.